guys. So today I'm gonna share you for my best smoothie ever for your good health and for men that they don't have enough strength or to do the things with their lovers. Ooh, so this is good for you guys. Here are the ingredients. So first, I have lemon here, good for for cholesterol and for cleansing your internal organs. So you have to remove the seeds of your lemon. So one big lemon, including the skin, guys. I always include the skin of lemon. You're gonna need your blender and one lime because I always have headache. That's why I'm adding also one whole lime, including the skin. If you don't like the skin, you can remove the skins. It's optional. It's your choice. And carrots. I have small carrots, so I'm gonna use 3 small carrots because these are organics. This is not from my garden. This is, I got it from, the market that's selling organic. That they did it on their backyard. So I bought that in the market. And cucumber. So my cucumber is organic as well. And for cleansing your intestine, here you go, pineapple. I frozen my pineapple. It was fresh when we bought in the store, but since we went to vacation, we cannot consume the whole thing. And for good bowel movement, papaya. I include the skin. So that's papaya. Here you go, guys. To make your manhood become strong and good for fighting. This is what you need. Beets, fresh beetroots, and because we couldn't find any pomegranate, you need always beetroot and pomegranate together when you make a smoothie. So instead of, because we couldn't find the fruit, pomegranate fruit or granada in Tagalog, so we have to buy a natural 100% pomegranate juice. This is from Costco. So they are selling this. It's very expensive, guys. $15 including tax. And you don't need to peel the beets. I brush it. This is from my garden, organic garden, oh, diba? One big beets. Of course, you have to cut it because beets is big and the carrots as well. You're gonna say, oh, that's a lot of smoothie. It's gonna be only 2 days for us, guys. So this is stays for 2 days. I always add lemon and lime because lemon and lime can protect the juice not to go bad. It makes like alkaline. If you want your water become alkaline, put lemon on it overnight, and the next day your water is alkaline already. So that's another way to make your water alkaline if you don't have a machine. Then we're gonna add the pomegranate juice. Instead of putting, usually I use coconut water, but because we ran out of coconut water, we haven't go to the store, the big Asian store that we used to go. So that's why I'm using the pomegranate, and it's good for blood circulation, especially for manhood of all mankind. Okay, there you go. because this one is thicker, so I'm gonna add more pomegranate juice. But if you don't have pomegranate, you couldn't find any pomegranate, it's okay to use coconut water as well. But if you can find pomegranate juice, it's really good though. Guys, especially to the men, this is your chance to have a good fighting during on loving time. Our juice is done. Our smoothie. See guys, that you gonna how to live healthy. And of course, I'm gonna drink this. Still very thick, so I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add some more. We bought two pomegranate juice. So I'm gonna add some more here. So it's easy to drink. Now it's like more juice on it. See guys, it's pure, 100% organic, and you're sure that there's no preservatives. That you can use as a preservatives lemon or lime. Or in the Philippines, you don't have lemon or lime, use calamansi. At least 5 to 7 calamansi in one big pitcher of smoothie. So guys, cheers! O diba, mga manoy, mga manay, if you have problem during on your happy hours, in your bedtime, oh, diba? Or you drink this early morning and you can have a happy time with your wives or with your wife or husband. It's proven guys, it's really good. For, you know, enjoy, let's drink, cheers, for happy life, happy time, happy bedtime, o diba? Now you learn again, for some, ang sarap. It's not very sweet, a little bit sweet, and a little bit sour because of the lemon and lime. So I always use all organic, guys. Always use all organic for your smoothie because you're gonna drink it raw. You're gonna eat it raw. You can do the non-organic. You can use non-organic if you're gonna cook. But smoothie, you shouldn't cook it. It's really fresh and refreshing, very healthy. Ooh, it's proven, guys. This is good for your manhood that always died within 1 minute or 2 minutes. So this is what you need, guys, for your good fighting, for your manhood. Yummy. It's so good. I can drink this a lot. And look at my skin, guys, because I always drink healthy. I always eat healthy. Look at my face. O, diba? No makeup. I only use lipstick. That's it. Ever since. I remember I only use makeup 3 times. During my graduation day in high school. So, I didn't go to college. And during when I was a bridesmaid, I use makeup because they really want me to put a makeup on my pretty face, kuno, yes. And then I use makeup again during my wedding day. So that's how I remember. I only use makeup 3 times. And look at my face. That's why I always like natural. So I have my own natural beauty skin, beauty face. Diba? All natural is beautiful. I don't like fake. That's why I drink natural to have a natural beauty. Diba guys? Anong say mo? Guys, thank you for watching. So always subscribe, watch my YouTube videos, a lot of healthy tips you can learn, and it's easy to prepare. So God bless us all. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you are a subscriber, you have a chance to win on my raffle promo on Christmas season or Christmas Day or New Year's Day. So bye bye. Have a great day, guys.